If I have an Oklahoma order regarding custody, can Arkansas take matters into their own hands without the order being transferred there? I'm told Attorney James Worth, that's the question that we have. If I have an Oklahoma court order on custody, can Arkansas take matters into their own hands without the order being moved? And generally speaking, the answer is no, but there are circumstances to that. So if we've got an order entered by the state of Oklahoma under the UCCJEA, that means that Oklahoma court has exclusive continuing jurisdiction over the child until both parents move out of state. If both parents move out of the state of Oklahoma, then wherever the child is residing at that point, they could file to docket the out-of-state order, in this case the Oklahoma order there, and then have further proceedings in that state. So if both parties have left the state of Oklahoma, then if one of the parents and the child are in Arkansas, then they could file to docket that order there to modify it, but they would have to docket that Oklahoma order. They can't ignore that Oklahoma order. However, there are exceptions. I'm talking about an emergency. That's general custody. Emergency custody is different. If the child is in Arkansas, Arkansas under their statutes probably allows them emergency jurisdiction under the UCCJEA, where they can do what's necessary temporarily in order to protect the child. But that's not going to last forever. That only lasts until this matter can protect the child long enough to get it back into a proper court. So they wouldn't be modifying a final order on a final basis pursuant to emergency jurisdiction, but they could temporarily do that to file an emergency until things can be properly handled by a court that does have jurisdiction. So it can get a little bit tricky there. So if you're dealing with this circumstance, certainly it's interesting to get information from this video, but you also want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially to get legal advice that is actionable for you. To get a consult scheduled with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelaweasy.com.